Hi friends. It's me, Talky Tara. Before we start today's story, I want to give a big shout out to Matthew for guessing last week's idiom correctly. Let the cat out of the bag. Woohoo! Great job, Matthew. Now, let's jump into today's heartwarming story.
On a warm, sunny afternoon, the little house on Maple Street stood quiet and inviting. The front door opened, and Grandpa Tom stepped out with Mom, ready to enjoy the day. Seeing Grandpa walk everywhere gave Mom an idea, a shiny new bicycle for his trips around the neighborhood. With Sophie's help, she began planning the perfect surprise. Mom and Sophie whispered their plans in the kitchen, giggling as they imagined Grandpa's happy face. The next day, Sophie sat on the porch with Grandpa. She wanted so badly to tell him about the surprise. She opened her mouth to speak, but then quickly changed the subject. Oh, that was close. Grandpa, of course, had no idea what was coming. Finally, the day arrived. The whole family gathered in the backyard. In the middle stood a big lumpy shape covered with a blanket. Mom smiled and said, "All right, Dad, close your eyes. And now." Grandpa's eyes lit up as Mom pulled the blanket away. He gasped and laughed. Sophie grinned and said, "Come on, Grandpa, let's go for a ride." And off they went, Sophie on her little bike, Grandpa on his new one, pedaling down the sunny street, laughing together as the warm breeze brushed past. It was the perfect surprise and the perfect day to enjoy it.
And that, friends, is what we call letting the cat out of the bag, sharing a secret too soon. Sophie nearly did, but held it in just in time. Thanks for listening, and join me next time for another fun idiom story. Bye.